Hi guys, in today's video, I will guide you on fixing the issue of automatic brightness increase for Instagram on your iPhone. So if you've been experiencing this problem, then stick around for a clear and straightforward tutorial. Alright, so to take control of the automatic brightness increase on Instagram, let's start by adjusting your iPhone settings. So go navigate to your phone settings, and once you're in the settings, locate and tap on accessibility, as this is where you will find various options to customize your device behavior. Now, within the accessibility settings, tap on display and text size, and this section allows you to make specific adjustments related to how your device handle visual elements. Now, scroll down within the display and text size settings until you find the auto brightness option, as this feature can impact the overall brightness based on ambient light conditions. Now, once you spot the auto brightness option, just toggle it off. So this ensures that your iPhone will automatically adjust the brightness, giving you more control. If these changes don't immediately apply to the Instagram app, make sure the app is up to date. Just head to the App Store or Play Store and find Instagram and install any available updates. And additionally, for good measure, you might want to restart your device as well. So this simple step can help apply the changes and ensure a fresh start for your device settings. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now have more control over the brightness settings on your iPhone, especially when using Instagram. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.